In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload your videos the right way. Now, a lot of new YouTubers, they make the same mistake, because personally, I also made the same mistake. So this is why I think this is going to be very beneficial for a lot of new creators. So if you are a new creator and you find yourself uploading your videos using your smartphone, and you always go to this plus sign here to upload your videos, that's the wrong move. So stay with me. Let me show you step by step how to upload your videos the right way to get more views, to reach the right audience, to get your subscribers, and even to grow your watch hours, because it's important. The reason why it's wrong for you to upload your videos this way, going to this plus sign here to upload, is because when you upload like that, you will not have access to a lot of features that will help you boost your video. So stay with me. I'm going to be sharing my screen and I will show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to upload your video the right way. If you are new here, my name is Angela, the face behind this channel, and I am always excited to bring you YouTube updates, tips, share my experience with you, basically bring to you content that I know that a lot of new YouTubers will appreciate. So if you have any question or you have any request, just drop it in the comment section, and I'll be happy to get back to you with a video. So I'm going to go ahead now and share my screen. Stay with me. So I'm going to share my screen, okay? So now what you have to do if you want to upload your video is to make sure that you are on your YouTube dashboard. So if you don't have a laptop, you can go to your web browser and type in YouTube dashboard, and it should take you to your YouTube dashboard. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to be using my laptop to show you this step-by-step guide. So bear with me. So now, if you find yourself on your home tab like this, just tap on your picture there, go to YouTube Studio. And then once you are on your YouTube Studio, you tap on this create button. Here you have different options. You have upload video, you have go live, you have create a post. So we are going to go ahead and tap on upload a video. Here is going to tell you to select a file, and we're going to do just that. Of course, before you start this, make sure that the video you want to use or the video you are uploading is already saved on your system, on your laptop, or on your phone. And then try as much as possible to make sure that you have saved that particular video with the title of the video. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I mean. So I'm going to go here and tap on select file. Then I'm going to go over to I'm going to go over here to recent, and I'll choose this video. So now you see the title of this video. I saved it, I saved the video with the title of the video. I don't know if you are getting me. How to keep YouTube subscription private or public. Yeah. So that is basically the content of this video. Now, while that video is uploading, you are going to go ahead and put in your description. And of course, before your uploading process, ensure that you have already prepared your description somewhere, your hashtags, your tags, everywhere, that you can just somewhere where you can just copy and paste. All right. So once you have done that, you paste here your description. You paste your description there, yeah. And then the next thing to do is to upload your thumbnail. So now you have to make sure that your thumbnail is also ready and saved where you can easily access it. So you go over here and then you select your thumbnail. I think it was this. So then you select your thumbnail, okay? Once you've done that, you have to make sure that you also have a playlist. Playlists are important because they help you with your watch hours, even also to help you gain more views and subscribers. So if you don't have a playlist, ensure that you have created one. Okay, so you select the playlist that you want this video to be featured in, and then you click done. If you don't have any playlist at all, it's going to give you an option for you to create a new playlist. So you tap on it, new playlist, you put the required title of the playlist here, then the description if you wish, then you set the visibility. Of course, it should be public because you want the public to see it. That's the point of the whole thing. And then you go ahead and click done, and then we continue. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to on the key things that are important when you are uploading a video, because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so here the video is set to not made for kids. Okay, so I'm going to go and show more. You click on show more, and then here you have more options. Okay, so it says altered content. Do any of the following describe your content? Makes a real person appear to say something they didn't say, and blah blah blah. So you check it, then you choose the one that fits your video. So in my case, it's no. So now you go ahead, automatic chapters, you can leave that like that because that's also very good to turn on. And then here again, this is very important, so make sure that you have your tags in there. If you don't know how to generate tags, you can use ChatGPT to generate tags relating to your video. You can give in a prompt on ChatGPT. Hello, ChatGPT, I have created a video talking about this and that. Can you please generate the tags for this video? SEO optimized tags. And ChatGPT will do that for you. There are other tools you can use as well. Okay. So now you have to make sure your video is set in the appropriate language. In my case, it's English, of course. And then you go ahead to here. This setting is also very important. But in order for you to choose the right one, the right choice for your channel, you have to understand what this publish to subscription feeds and notify subscribers mean. So I have created a video explaining this particular setting. You will find it in my channel. Please do well to watch it to get a proper understanding, so that when you are uploading a video, you will choose whether you want to check it or uncheck it. But allow embedding, I would say always have that checked, because allow embedding is going into you allowing your video to be seen in other sites like Google and all that. Okay, so let's continue. Allow video remixing. Okay, I think you can decide here, but I think it's good if you allow people to remix your video, because it will help you spread like wildfire. All right, and then you have to make sure that your video is set in the right category. Okay, if your video is about education, comedy, health, make sure you are choosing the right, the right category for your video, because it's important for YouTube to know this, so that they know the type of audience they will be searching for you. It helps with the algorithm, and it helps with making sure that your videos are being pushed to the right people who are actually looking for what you have to offer. Okay, if your video is about education and you put comedy here, for example, so there's a likelihood that you're not even going to be getting views on that video, because the people your videos will be shown to are not interested in educational content, but rather in entertainment and all that. So I hope we are understanding. So we go ahead. This one, comments and rating, turn on comments. Of course, we want the comments to be on, because the more comments we have, the more engagement, the more YouTube is pushing our video. Okay, so when you have done that, the next thing to do is here, click on next. So here we have add subtitle. I usually don't do that, but what is important for you to add to your videos is add end screen, add cards and all that. It's very, very, very important, okay? So if you want to add your end screen, you just go ahead and tap here, add, or add cards. Go ahead here and do that. So for the sake of this video, I don't want this video to be too long, okay? So otherwise, what you have to do is just tap here on add end screen. End screen is usually all these things, all these you see how this video is showing now. You know, at the end of your video, like the last 20 or 30 seconds, all these your videos are going to pop up here, or even you can add a playlist, yeah, so that anybody who is watching your video, they might see that, oh, you have a playlist on how to get 4,000 watch hours, so they will go ahead and click it and, you know, keep consuming your videos, which will in turn give you more views and more watch hours. And the cards is also the same thing. You say promote related content during your video, and end screen is all about promoting related content at the end of your video. Okay, so simply read here, you will get the understanding. And cards is simply a way to promote your other content during your video. So let's see how that goes. So if you want to add cards, you see here is add a video, yeah? So I can go ahead and choose this one. So you see how it's reflecting up here, how to restream a video. So while your video is going on, while people are streaming your video, all these cards are going to be appearing at the top right of your video, advertising your videos for you. And then here, you can add a total of cards to your video, a total of 5 cards to your video, okay? So if you want to add another one, you tap here, you go here, add cards. If it is a playlist that you want to add, you choose a playlist. For example, this one, you choose a playlist. You choose a playlist and then it's going to pop up here, okay? So basically, that's how that goes. And then we click on next. You click next, okay? Now, here is another important thing that you have to understand, yeah? You have to really, really understand this part here. Now, it is not advisable for you to go public immediately, yeah? Because you want to give YouTube time to get to know your video, to understand what your video is all about before pushing it out to the public. But if you go ahead and just go public immediately, you are not giving YouTube time to do their job. So that's why your views might be low as well. So though there are a lot of theories surrounding this particular place here, at the end of the day, everybody should do their research and decide for themselves. But in this video, I'm going to share with you what I usually do. So what I usually do is I go ahead and schedule my video. Okay, I go ahead and schedule my video. So scheduling your video, always schedule your video like 24 hours ahead. Okay, and if you want to give it a more boost, you can even set it as premiere. Okay, so you go ahead and schedule your video ahead, set the time, AM or PM, make sure the time zone is correct, and then you schedule it, yeah? And then you schedule it. Or you can, if you are monetized, this feature is also going to show, you know, whether you want to make your members watch the video first before going public. So, but that one we are not going in there now. So this one here, schedule your video, and then you click on schedule, okay? You click on schedule, yeah? So, and then you click close. Now, when you go here to your content, you will be able to see that your video has been scheduled. And another reason why scheduling your video is good is because when you schedule it ahead, let's say you forgot something, you can easily come back here and edit it. Okay, you can easily come back here and edit it. If you want to change something, change the title, you do that and then you click save again. Okay, so basically this is basically what you need to know if you want to upload your videos the right way. So if you found value in what I shared here today, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and share. And if something was not clear, let me know in the comment section. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. At the end of the day, we are all here to learn, support each other, and grow. So thank you for watching, everyone, and bye for now.